Hi guys, we are at Sparkman Wharf in the Channelside District, and we are going to see what we can get into. They have since redone this, so it's a lot of interesting stuff. We're going to have some things we want to tell you at the end, so stay with us. So we have not been down here since they redid everything. They took Hooters out, which I never thought I would see happen, and so far it looks beautiful. I can't wait to see what all they put in here.
We are coming up to Sparkman Wharf.
So your wife is starving. What sounds good?
I don't know. Let's surprise everybody and tell them at the end. But this is pretty cool that they got the map. Hey, if you ate at BurgerFi one time, let me know how it is. We haven't been there yet. Martin Paws is a dog shop, looks like. Nothing there yet. Yeah, it's blocked off up there. On the fly battery. What is that? Oh, it's fried stuff. Frozen treats and stuff.
I want to bring Brenda down here.
Fried chicken and there's the dog.
Yeah. Oh, there's one right there too.
Let's go down through here. Got some bugs attacking me.
Really?
Uh-huh.
Not bothering me, but
it's a chocolate factory. And see, this is where you used to cut through. This used to be right here, remember? This was the Cold Stone Creamery.
Yep. Oh, they had the most amazing ice cream too.
Yeah. So humid,
Yeah.
She says it's humid here, and it is. So if you can pick what day you come down here, or when you come down to Sparkman's Wharf, I would suggest coming in the cooler months. It's not too bad now. It's about 80 degrees, and it's probably, what, about 7 o'clock?
Yep, something like that. Let's go listen to a lot of music.
Everybody dance, don't stop. I just need a minute to find out what I'm feeling, cause I'm about to go nuts. And my team is trying to say what's up. I've been waiting for this my whole life. Wanna do it again 3-4 times, cause it's better than a dream. Highway with young lean, I will never get enough. So high, what a nice surprise. You're all I ever had in mind. I'm happy in the sky, a big case of desire. I will never say goodbye. will show you how to run the red light. If you wanna, you can call me mine. Somewhere on the highway, under the starlight, you tuck me in your arms tight. Damn, it feels right. So what a nice surprise. You're all I ever had.
You want to tell them the big surprise? Where are you going tonight, lady?
Jotoro Mexican kitchen and tequila bar. Oh, it smells amazing. Aww. Oh, it feels amazing in here.
Inside will be about 20-25 minutes. We're going to get you sat outside right now.
Walk this way.
Walk this way.
He's going to catch the tram.
Drink this tequila. Walk this way. Hey, baby.
Yeah.
Somebody at work has a brochure. I think it's this building right here.
Mm-hmm.
They only start out at $1 million. Now it's probably in the basement, but
Good Lord.
for a little bit more, I'm sure you can get one of the top floors.
Okay. Oh, we can sit right there on that thing.
What thing? Oh, on the
Yeah.
ledge.
Man, Tampa's beautiful. It's one of the most beautiful cities I've ever lived in. And when you come downtown, usually when you see stuff up close, it's not as beautiful. But that's not the case with Tampa. It's just the opposite.
So if you like trolleys, check out the video. Oh, you're gonna run the squirrel!
Oh, go, squirrel, go! Run, squirrel! Poor thing.
So check out a video that we're gonna leave attached at the end if you want to see the train ride from last week. So we're gonna walk to the other end. We left Marcy back there to take a little break. It's too hot out here. 90-something degrees. End of July. And it's pretty toasty, so she's gonna take a little breather while we wait for our reservation. And then we're gonna show you what we're gonna eat at the Mexican restaurant we picked. But right now we're at the other end.
Yeah, we played.
So this is the other end that we, not too much happening down here. There's the aquarium. Pretty cool aquarium, kind of small, but not bad. And then if you want to cruise out of Cruise Terminal 2, this is the old terminal. They still use it. And cruise out that way. We're going to turn around and head back. If you're down here just visiting, right across from the aquarium on the other side is a big parking garage. We've used that many a times. Not sure what the rate is, but it's reasonable. Last time we were here, and we would park down here, or you can do like we did. You can just take the trolley from Ybor City, park in the parking lot next to where you can catch the trolley. There it comes now. And the first 2 hours are free, and it's $1 an hour after that, so it's not bad at all. There you go. You can catch the trolley, and it'll bring you right down here to the corner above, right up here, way up here. They're gonna stop and they're gonna let all those folks out who wanna, all the folks who want to get off of Sparkman Wharf here. That's what all this is behind me. So not sure what this is now. Back in the day when it was Channel Side, This was a cut through, a little path you could cut through to get to the courtyard you saw earlier. And there's a couple of shops, ice cream, Cold Stone Creamery, I think, and a couple other things. Some of you who live here might remember that if you've been here to Channelside back when it was called Channelside and not the wharf. But now we're making our way back. I don't think we're here way back then. It was just the parking garage that was right here. They built the 2 towers since then in this building here. And there she is. Hey, baby. Are you rested?
Yes.
Ready to go
Get a
get some
drink?
AC and
Drink? You bet.
and some Mexican food. Jotoros. We made it to Jotoros. They have the menu here. They don't have regular menus. You got to scan it. So Marcy's going to scan it.
Okay, so we're at Jotoro Kitchen and Tequila Bar, and we're trying to figure out what to eat. And it looks like they have a ton of stuff on the menu, but oh, check this out. You can get your favorite frozen drinks in a squeezable bottle to carry around with you.
Oh, wow.
I know, right? That's awesome. We decided we'd get a couple of margaritas, and they look delicious. They're beautiful. Got my little umbrella. I got a frozen, and of course Mitch got rocks.
What's that?
It's a green flamingo.
There's the chips.
Oh, chips and salsa. Now that's a bowl of salsa.
They're good, huh?
The salsa's different. It has cumin in it.
Oh, wow. That's going to be interesting.
Yeah, it's good, but
Let me give it a try. That's very good.
check it out. This is some kind of chicken burrito with green sauce and cilantro and street corn, which looks absolutely amazing. And what do you got over there?
Gringo tacos.
Oh, that's Gringo Tacos? No, they have ground beef. I don't know what
No,
you
that's
got.
the adobe chicken.
Oh, yeah, that's right. That's right.
Adobe chicken.
All right, let's see what's in here. Look at this thing. It is humongous. Oh, baby, look at that.
So this is what's left. Somebody couldn't finish their food,
It was a carnage.
but it was a very good food. Mine is already, I cleaned my plate and it's gone. But before we go, we got some announcements to make. We've got some things coming up that you might be interested in. We've got a cruise.
We do.
We've got a trip to a place called Helen, Georgia. If you never heard of it, that's going to be a good one.
It's beautiful. It's Germantown.
And we've also are going to check out another Buc-ee's. Remember that video?
We are?
Yeah.
Buc-ee's.
Buc-ee's.
I love Buc-ee's.
So we're going to check out that one. And we've also got a couple other stops along the way. Got the zoo. We got the winery. We got, what else can you think of? We got a lot of
I don't
stuff.
even know. We'll sleep when we're dead. So we are about to ride the trolley back to Ybor, where we parked our car. And did you know the trolley is free on weekends, just like it is to subscribe to our channel? So help us grow our channel. We appreciate you guys. And like, ring the bell, and subscribe. See ya.
I just need a minute to find out what I'm feeling, 'cause I'm about to go nuts. And I love what I feel.